Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it when your message is not delivered, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it you just need to go to the settings, so just open the settings. In the settings you need to find your messages, so just open the messages here. And here you need to turn off iMessage and just turn it on again. So now you can try again to send your message. Just wait until it will successfully activate. Here you can see that we successfully activate our iMessage. So if it doesn't help you and you really need to send this message, so just click here, send it as SMS, turn on here, and now you can see send via SMS when iMessage is unavailable, network provider, messaging rates may apply. So if you have no internet access or cellular data, or you don't connect to Wi-Fi, so it will use your SMS, just your carrier on your iPhone, but you will pay for SMS as for your provider. But if you really need to send this message, so you can also try this way. So after you do it, just turn off here for not using carrier SMS and just using iMessage, and now it will use only iMessage. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.